inside my kitchen and I have boiled pasta and I'm going to make pasta now. So the ingredients are here. I have chopped tomatoes, capsicum and onion. Here I have freshly grinded chili flakes. I have chili powder. I have mayonnaise, Amul butter and cheese, salt, milk. This is chili sauce. There is soy sauce and there is tomato sauce, and I would need maida. It's there somewhere. Yeah, I have found the place. Okay, so I will need little maida for making the white sauce. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, first we need to light it. We need to add little water. So I have added butter and water which I have added. Now I'm going to add half of this cube and half of it I will save for garnishing. As much mayonnaise as possible. I am using no flavors, it is plain mayonnaise. You may use any flavor if you want, but I prefer the plain one. Use salt and milk is very much important here, and you are going to mix it nicely using maida here. Okay, and instead of maida you may use corn flour. It's thickening agent. The white sauce is almost ready and I am going to pour it over the boiled pasta. So I am adding little bit of mustard oil here. You can use any other oil of your choice. I have simmered. The oil is very hot. I am adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of chili powder. Yeah, mix it. So I thought of adding some chicken that was prepared. I have just chopped them nicely. I think it will look really good. Now I'm going to add the pasta. It looks really creamy. It looks really very delicious. Okay, now I have to add milk, whole of it, nothing left. Now I need to add little soya sauce, some tomato ketchup. You can add tomato puree instead. And I'm going to add all the chili flakes, almost, yeah. Because I love it spicy. Okay. I need to add some water. So I'm going to add this instant pasta maker to it because I love this and it has some more herbs. You can skip it, it's totally up to you. It's almost done. Okay, just a little bit of sugar. Not much, just sprinkle it, just to balance everything. Okay. mayonnaise because I love it. I will place this here. Not the least, cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese. That I have successfully prepared this chicken pasta with white sauce, and it looks really delicious, and it was not that tough because I could make it, so you can probably make it too. So you must try this at home and tell me in the comment section if you have tried this. So I'm going to end my video here. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts below, share this video with your friends, family and everyone else. And please subscribe to 7 Leaves for more. Also press the bell icon and keep smiling. Be happy. So see you next time. Until then, bye.